what we have here is a very special breed of dog. It is what is known in the Western Hemisphere as a rubber-nosed, cream-filled British Whipperton. He has some distinct features, such as the lie-down dog groan, the Whipperton that you can see in the background, the sad face that you see when he looks up at you. His left ear is a little broken, but that's okay. That's what makes him special. And he's got a pink tattoo on his nose. It's only exclusive to the British Whipperton breed. And he's real lazy. And that's about it.